Oh, good morning, everyone. This is Timothy speaking, aka Ferrum. And so far, how's y'all Wednesday? Happy Wednesday, by the way. And as usual, it's time to rise and grind. And before I go into what I want to say, just be sure to pray for the people of the Gulf Coast, especially New Orleans, and pray that people will be safe from Hurricane Isaac. And also pray that people are ready to help out in those situations. But otherwise, let's let's start with the topic of today. And in short, I wanted to say happy half birthday to the Joystick Journey. And what that is, the Joystick Journey is a blog of one of my friends, Shanae, on her no, let me rephrase. The Joystick Journey is pretty much like a blog about my being in a wheelchair, and how pretty much we take being normal for granted. In this case, being able to walk, being able to move, and the blog will showcase, the difficulties of being in a wheelchair and not able to like move freely as you want, or the challenges of or even the challenges of getting the necessary recommendations for school and work. And on a little side note, the blog is done by Shanae Hurd, which I met online and Skype and such. And for the past year, even for the past 6 months that the Joystick Journey been up, she taught me like a lot. For one, her blog opened my eyes to cerebral palsy awareness, which I rarely knew about until now. And her blog pretty much just outlines her challenges of fitting into the world and surviving and succeeding in the world despite being in a wheelchair. And it blew my mind because it gave me like another insight on viewing the world. Because previously I was only seeing the world in one or two lenses, as an autistic person or a person trying to be normal. But thanks to you, Shanae, I can now see the world in like many different lights. And secondly, the Joystick Journey taps into my struggles with my disability. Oftentimes I don't really want to talk about my disability. I try to fit in. So I try to like blend in, trying to pass for normal. But I realize there's a lot of challenges. Same thing when reading the Joystick Journey. There's a lot of challenges, but there's also plenty of acceptance and triumphs as well. And Joystick Journey is just an example that despite the obstacles, you can still rise up and succeed. And lastly, the main reason why I like the joystick journey is that it helped me. It helped me like network with other people with disabilities who going for the similar struggles rather. Oftentimes, it's hard to network with people with disabilities because it's so it's a small population to begin with, especially a small population where, despite the disabilities, we still succeed. We're still trying to rise up to the occasion. We're still trying to enjoy life and to succeed. It's not that many people. Heck, it's not that many people in the autistic spectrum, I think, who fights for independence. And with when I read Shanae's blog, you know, um, hold on. Sorry for my blank thoughts, by the way. That's one of the things with autism. Sometimes it takes longer to process things. But I'll say with Shanae's blog, I mean, it just shows to fight to be independent and to be your own person, despite being autistic, despite cerebral palsy, despite being paralyzed, despite Down syndrome. I mean, despite pretty much any challenge or trials. So, in short, thank you so much, Shanae, and thank you so much, Joystick Journey, in showing people with disabilities worldwide how to be independent and how to open eyes to people who cling to only the quote unquote normal life, yet be amazed once they see there's more worlds than just one. But otherwise, that's all for today. And hopefully the Joystick Journey will continue to grow to its 1 year anniversary, excuse me. And I wish nothing but success to Shanae, and that is all. Enjoy the rest of the day, and remember to rise up and always be on the grind. Peace.